Hi. So a number of the world's best beauty bloggers and vloggers have come together to collaborate and do a tag video, and I've been given the opportunity to join in. So there are 10 questions to answer. To know who else is participating, please hit the description box below. So 10 questions, let's get going straight away. Number 1, when did you start wearing makeup? At university. To be honest, during my master's. I was bought my first lipstick when I was just 15 by my mum. It was there. I used to wear it once in a long while, but I was a tomboy even during my bachelor's, my undergrad. I was a tomboy who conspired with my father to make mum stop wearing makeup. And mum said, I'm going to bide my time, kid. One day you'll get a bigger collection than I do. And I said, yeah, right. It just shows that mothers know best. Now, a makeup trend you wish would end. Glitter, absolutely. I mean, I love glitter on the nails, but not everywhere. You know, mad contouring and glitter, sculpted big contour here, cutting your face in half. No, bad idea, not a fan. And also over glitter, you know, there's a glow here, a glow here, a glow here, a glow here, a glow here. Stop already. Less is more, you know, and glitter was 1990s for me, so I do wish it would go away. Your favorite makeup trend? Thick eyebrows. Thicker the better. I mean, not thicker the better, as in you can't have them this huge. But I was never a fan of the thin eyebrow trend. And my mum is a 1980s person. I mean, not that she's a 1980s person. And at the time, you know, thin eyebrows were in vogue. And all her honeymoon pictures and wedding photos, very, very pencil thin eyebrows. Horrible. Not a fan. And she says it's impossible to get them to grow back once you've tweezed and tweezed and tweezed and tweezed. So she's struggling with that. And I'm glad that that trend has gone away, even if it does make a comeback. I'm not going to go for it. I'm going to keep my eyebrows as thick as I can. Thank you very much. Secret technique in applying makeup? I don't actually have one. I mean, probably Beauty Blender. That's my secret. I mean, it gives me the best possible finish. It lets me build up. It doesn't leave marks. It doesn't leave flakes. It's good for refining pores and making them less visible. So yeah, Beauty Blender. What is your dream makeup? Simple. A foundation that will mattify, not break me out, heal acne, and last all day. That's my dream makeup. There are some very good formulations out there right now for oily skin. Huda Beauty's 4-filter foundation is foremost. I also love Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Foundation, the Balm's Even Steven Foundation, Giorgio Armani Par Fabric Foundation. All of these are perfect for mattifying oily skin, for staying through the day, for good coverage. Yep, even so, I feel that they're not my dream quality yet. So next question. One makeup product you cannot leave home without. Lipstick. I mean, I don't know, I feel naked if I'm not wearing lipstick. The only place where I don't wear lipstick is to my dentist, because I don't really want to get it all over his gloves. And even if it is a matte, long-wearing, non-transfer lipstick and all that sort of thing, he's still going to get it on his gloves with all those things that he uses. So, bad idea. It has happened before, and it's quite embarrassing when he sort of tries not to look at the pink stains on his fingers. And you're trying not to look at them either. So yeah, apart from that, I wear lipstick all the time. First ever makeup purchased. I still have it. Here's a photograph. It is Revlon's lipstick in Dune Rose. I actually have the second one I bought as well. Boots number 7 in Shiny Conquer. This was my go-to while doing my master's. Where do you find your creative inspiration? Don't laugh at me, please. In the bathroom. I do all my thinking in the bathroom. This is where ideas sort of turn up. Whether it is for this or for other writing, other work I do, inspiration always strikes in the bathroom. Probably why I take a long time in the loo. I don't waste water, no. But yeah, inspiration strikes in the bathroom. I don't know why. I don't know. Maybe it's all those bath oils and shower gels and bath bombs around, but inspiration strikes in the bathroom every time. What is your favorite type of video to film? Unboxings. That's probably because I'm most excited about what's inside these boxes. So that excitement probably translates. I don't know, I enjoy filming unboxings because I like seeing what's inside. And I hope you do as well. Advent calendar unboxings are my absolute favorite videos to shoot. Unfortunately, that's available only during the holiday season. They should do Advent calendars the rest of the time. Easter calendars. I don't know, Lent calendars. So the rest of the year, we're going to have to make do with regular beauty boxes. Last question, what's your favorite type of video to watch? Also unboxings, I enjoy seeing what other people get. Followed by hauls, followed by makeup looks. So those are the 10 questions in this tag. The questions are in the description box below. I'd love to know your answers to these questions. Please do answer them in the comments box below. I'd love to read them. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up and please hit the subscribe button below. And I'll speak to you in my next video.